Okay, so quick tutorial showing you how to use query parameters inside of Weavely.ai. So typically you want to use these if you're sending out your survey and you want to track external data compared to your responses. So let's say that, for example, you have a feedback survey here. I'm going to send that to multiple types of users, and I want to be able to correlate different types of users to the answers that they give without them having to actually type in what kind of user they are. So the way you do this is inside of settings. You have this URL parameters, which you can just add. So that will be a part of your link that you'll be sharing. So here we'll be calling it user type, for example. Let's make it all lowercase and add the parameter. So once we have this, we can now take our link. First need to publish, of course. We can now take our link and we can add that parameter to the actual link, and it will show up in the responses. So question mark user type equals test, for example. I load in my form. I, as a user, give my feedback. I press submit. And then if we go back into the results, you can see that we have our response right here and user type equals test. And so that's how you set this up. So let's say that you want to share this with two types of users. One is user type test, the other one being power users, for example. And you have two links in your newsletter or something like that. Then if I fill this in as a power user, automatically you will see this pop up inside of your submissions. And if I just refresh this page, we now have user type power users, user type test, and you can now filter the responses based on that specific user type. So this is how you use query parameters inside of Weavely. I can add multiple of those. Just go into the settings and press add.